In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset a Nintendo Switch that has parental controls enabled. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this method will work the exact same on the original Nintendo Switch as well as the Switch 2, but if parental controls are enabled, you may be asked to enter a PIN before completing certain steps, so just keep that in mind and make sure you have access to that PIN before continuing. But from the home screen, make sure no games are currently running in the background, and then go ahead and navigate over to your system settings. From here, scroll all the way down to this little system section right here, scroll over to the right, and then what you're going to want to do is inside this system section, go ahead and scroll down until you see an option for formatting options. You may have to scroll down a little bit in order to see this. It also may be called data clear options as well, but go ahead and open this up and then you're going to see an option that says restore factory settings or initialize console. This option will delete all the data stored on the system memory, including accounts, saved data, games, and parental control settings. Open this up, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm, and if prompted, enter in the parental controls PIN. And it's going to take several minutes or even up to an hour depending on how much data is stored on the system. But once it finishes, the console will restart and return to the original setup screen. That is it though. Your Nintendo Switch is now going to be fully reset even if parental controls were previously enabled. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.